Welcome back. Ministry of Law and Justice has approved the proposal to raise annual income tax exemption limit from 2 lakh to 3 lakh rupees. The direct tax code draft will now be sent to Cabinet for approval. Thereafter, the approved draft will be introduced in Parliament.
In times when inflation is burdening Aam Aadmi's pocket, a relaxation in tax deduction will definitely give a reason for consumers to celebrate. According to an official of Ministry of Finance, Parliamentary Committee has nearly agreed to the tax exemption limit under the latest draft of Direct Tax Code Bill. The proposal was first drafted by the Standing Committee led by former Finance Minister Yashwant Sinha. The committee had raised the cap of annual tax exemption from Rs 2 lakh to 3 lakh. Moreover, it has recommended maintaining the tax percentage at 10% for income group earning annual pay up to Rs 10 lakh. Currently, income tax rate for income group of Rs 2 to 5 lakh is 10%. Professionals earning annual income of Rs 5 to 10 lakh are required to pay an income tax of 20%. Finally, the income group of Rs 10 lakh and above must be 30% of their income as tax to the government. The DTC draft is expected to be introduced to the winter parliamentary session commencing on 5th December. News report says the bill shall not be delayed post the coming session because in the following session, budget shall be presented to secure vote on account. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The vocal congressman and spokesperson of Congress, Sudeep Tamankar, has blamed his own party. He says that the state does not have a competent opposition to raise public issues. Tamankar also blamed Congress for acting soft on the Nigerian issue.
आज जे पळय ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी घडटा ह्यो खंय तरी सक्षम अशे विरोधक गोंय राज्यांत ना. आयज काँग्रेस पक्ष विरोधान आसा पूण ह्या पक्षाक खंय तरी सामान्य जनतेक पळय जे भेडसावणारे पळय जे प्रश्न आसा हे सोडोवपाक पूर्णपणान अपयशिल्ले आसा. आयज जो नायजेरियनाचो पळय इश्यू घडला पळय काही दिसा पयलीं हो प्रभावीतपणे मांडपाक पूर्णपणान विरोधकांक अपयशिल्ले आसा आनी आयज हेका लागून विरोधक सक्षम नासलेल्या कारणान सरकाराचे जे पळय करता ते फावलेले आसा आनी आयज इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर गोंय राज्याचें नांव बदनाम जावपाक लागलेलें आसा.
Meanwhile, under the banner of All Goa Private Bus Owners Association, Tamankar said that the association has filed a petition in the High Court to scrap bus pass system.
हायकोर्टान एक पेटिशन फायल केला की इमिजिएटली पास सिस्टम बंद करची किंवा पास सिस्टमीक लागून पळय जो लॉस जाता खाजगी बसींक तो सरकारान कॉम्पेन्सेट करचो.
He has also opposed to the new directions issued by the Transport Department that buses used for more than 17 years should be scrapped.
जो वाहतूक खात्यान एक मेमोरंडम मार्च म्हयन्याचे 7 तारखेक इश्यू केल्लो आसा तितून जे गाडयांचे लायफ आसा पळय ते ठरोवन येता ते 30 तारखेक 17 वर्साच्यो गाडयो काडपाचो जी जबरदस्ती केल्या बस मालकांचेर तेकाय आमी विरोध केल्लो आनी जी पळय सबसिडी स्कीम पळय जी दिता बसवाल्यांक ती खंय तरी सुटसुटीत करची. एक सुटसुटीतपणां हाडपाक सरकाराक अपयश येल्लें आसा आनी फक्त सरकार एका वाटेन स्किमीचो फायदो कदंबाक दिता आनी खाजगी बसी पळय ज्यो आसा तांकां कसलोच फायदो मेळना आनी जवळ जवळ 15-16 लाखाची बस आयज नवी हाडपाक खंय तरी दबाव बस मालकांचेर हाडटा.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar admitted the poor functioning of the district hospital at Tiskponda. Parsekar said the doors of the boxes in mortuary are in a bad condition. However, Parsekar tried to defend the staff of the hospital. He visited the hospital after a dead body preserved for funeral was found in a decomposed state in the hospital morgue.
3 to 7. It's not above. If it goes above, it will sign.
एखाद्या बॉडीची अवेदना जाली खंय तरी रानात पडलो किंवा खून जाल्लो आनी कितें तरी जाता ताका आमच्या हातान नासता आमच्या ताब्यात येवन जाली ही मातशी खूब वायट दिसलें चुरचुरलें.
Parsekar admitted that the boxes for preserving the dead bodies in the mortuary are not maintained. Parsekar claimed that the hospital is newly built but had no answers as to how the boxes in the mortuary are in such a terrible state.
साधारणपणे म्हाका फक्त प्रत्यक्ष मोर्गान वचून पळयलें हांवें म्हज्या लक्षांत आयलें की ती डोर्स सारके ना त्यामुळे हांव काय आय एम नॉट अ टेक्निकल पर्सन आय एम नॉट अ नायदर अ मेडिकल पर्सन त्यामुळे डॉक्टर फॉन्सेको आमचो HOD फॉरेन्सिकाचो आसा सापेको ही इज कमिंग टुमॉरो ही वील गायड आणि
प्रायमरी कॉज कितें म्हणटा डिकम्पोज
साधारण ना ते दरवाजो उगडो आसता तो कळटा दरवाजे बरे बसनात हे एक लक्षात आयलां म्हाका दिसता तो जो मेकॅनिकल प्रॉब्लेम आसा तोच सुटूंक जाय तेजे दरवाजे सारके लागनात आमी वर्स जाला इट नीड्स टू बी रेक्टिफायड जे सायडीस इकडे हांव उलयतलोच
local ambulance तुमकां contact बी केला काय नाही
It may be recalled that a dead body preserved for funeral was found in a decomposed state in the hospital morgue. Locals claimed that the morgue is maintained poorly. Medical superintendent of the hospital claims that the incident occurred due to lack of qualified technical staff in the hospital. Lakshmikant Parsikar visited the district hospital of Ponda on Thursday. He has denied to initiate any inquiry on the decomposed body episode. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. Now look at the other events in the state.
Coco Mango, exotic open-air venue for wedding and parties, was inaugurated at Penne by Mandre MLA and Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsikar.
Congratulations and celebrations.
जो पेडणे तालुको एका वेळार फाटी आसा असो म्हटलो वतालो तो पेडणे तालुको आज निश्चितपणे अन्य खंयच्याय तालुक्या बरोबर कॉम्पिटिशन मारता किंवा बाकीच्या तालुक्यापेक्षा फुडें आसा आणि त्यामुळे विकासाच्यो सगळ्यो सुविधा हांगा सरकारान दिवंक जाय अशें जरी आमकां दिसलें तरी सरकारा बरोबर प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरान सुद्दां आपल्या ताकदी प्रमाणे असल्यो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज असल्यो जबाबदाऱ्यो आपल्या फादार घेवपाची गरज आसा.
Patthar Ka Kila and Sharike Hayat, written by Yunus Habib Motiwala, was released by freedom fighter Gurunath Kelekar. Writers Anuya Shirodkar and Vijaya Sheldekar were also present at the release function. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.